In the Bone series dinner, we're going to use Porterhouse T-bones, which is thicker than regular T-bones. For the side dish, I'm gonna have croquettes. I'm gonna have apples in the croquette mixture. Because apples will give natural sweetener in the mixture. After taking out the core, chop up the apples. Then put all the chopped up apples into the blender. Take half and half out of the fridge. We just need a half cup of half and half. Pour it into the blender. Turn on the blender to make the chopped up apples and half. Then put it into a bowl. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Whisk the eggs with the mixer. Make sure they all mix well together. Season it with salt, powdered onion, garlic herb. Mix all of them well. Just like that. Now, get the instant mashed potato flakes. We need 2 cups of it. Then put it into the mixture. Mix them well. Crack 2 eggs in a different bowl. Mix them well. This is for layer outside the croquette. After a while, the potato mixture becomes harder. Just soften it with a fork. Now make cylinder shapes out of the croquette. There, I got 5 of them. Pour breadcrumbs into a plate. Dip the croquette into the eggs. Make sure it's all around covered with eggs. Then dip it into the breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs cover all over. You have to do it one by one. Pour some more breadcrumbs if you need to. If you're almost out of egg mixture, put some more egg and mix it. Yeah, I like to double the layer outside so it will be strong. There you are. I have 5 croquettes. Now it's time to fry the croquettes. Heat the frying oil in the pan. Put the croquette one by one into the frying pan. Don't fry it too long. Don't burn it. Just make it a little bit brown all around. Because we're going to put them in the microwave to cook it a little bit more. There, it has nice brown color now. Two more to go. Nice brown color. There, we have 5 croquettes. Microwave them for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to use zucchini squash and mini heirloom tomatoes, asparagus. Wash the asparagus and other vegetables. Cut the asparagus stems. Boil them in the water in the pan. Season it with salt. As soon as it's boiled, then take it out because we don't want it to be mushy. Then drain the water. Run cold water over it so it will stop cooking. Then put them on a plate. Now let's prepare the porterhouse steak. Place the porterhouse steak on a pan. Season it with salt. Garlic herb. Some black pepper. Some onions. And do the same thing too on the other side. Then put it in the preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes, flip it over and turn it around. Then close the lid. After 5 minutes, take it out. There, like that. We don't want it to be overcooked. We want to cook the meat to be medium, like that, still soft. So we want it to look like this, cooked but still soft and red inside. Now take the zucchini squash. We're going to use it for structural support. Cut into 2. Put 2 sticks for support on the zucchini. Then put 2 croquettes going through the 2 sticks. Position the porterhouse steak leaning over the croquettes. Cut the over sticking out sticks. Put the Christmas snow on the top for decoration. And the reindeer decoration in the bottom. Arrange the asparagus. Next, arrange the mini heirloom tomatoes. Then pink ranch dressing on the side. There! It looks so nice now. It looks so Christmas festive. Nice idea for Christmas dinner, guys. From the bone series of Porterhouse Steak turned into Christmas dinner idea. Hooray!